What should you do before you buy a property? I mean, that's a really good question. The thing that I often tell people is getting very, very specific to what you want to buy. I see a lot of new investors, especially in the commercial real estate space, come in and they just want to do something, and they're actually so broad in what they're looking for is I'm looking for a good deal, that it's like drinking from a fire hose. There's just too many opportunities, too many deals that they're looking at. And so then they're wasting their time. And especially as a new investor, is like you need to get very, very specific and be able to niche down and to develop a skill set and an investment criteria. So what I do is, and this is, when I'm particularly looking for a property, is I put together like a deal summary or deal specifics that I'm looking for. For instance, I'm looking for roadside hotels and motels that are 50 to 125 keys. Keys meaning doors. I am looking for it to be ma and pa operator, or a brand of a Days Inn, Travel Lodge, Roadway Inn, one of these products that I can deflag, so I can defranchise it. And these are all bullet points that I would put into an email to a broker that is within a 3-hour, so a drive to market, 3 hours of a major MSA, so metropolitan statistical area. So within a 3-hour drive distance of a major MSA, or maybe top 25 MSA. And then I would also put a criteria of good bones property. Good bones meaning this is a cosmetic fixer. I'm going to fix up the interiors. I'm going to repurpose it. But I don't want to do a bunch of structural work. I don't want to add on to the building. I don't want to, sometimes putting a new roof or, upgrading it. But that's wasted money fixing up the structure that you're not going to necessarily get. And so when I create that is I'm going to have a deal specific sheet I'm sending out to markets, or when I'm looking at the criteria, and think about it, even when you're logging on to a LoopNet or CoStar or Crexi, is what are you looking for? I'm looking for it in this price range, this type of asset type. Obviously the markets, you're not going to be able to narrow that down necessarily on a CoStar or LoopNet or Crexi, but now you can send that out to brokers and you get a very, very deal specific of what you are looking for in investment criteria. You may also layer other things as a certain cap rate. I'm only looking for 8% cap rates or better. Maybe if you're looking for distressed assets, distressed assets I'm looking for, so it's losing money or there's some problem with it. Again, the more specific and more clarity that you can get in your deal specifics is the more likelihood that someone can find the deal that you want and send it to you. When you go, I want a good deal, that's not very subjective at all.